Hello, Nebula Knights, Mr. Askelson. It is Friday, April 3rd, 2020, day 5 of distance learning. I hope you've been working on all the activities on the matrix. Remember, there are some must-dos and may-do, and math is one of the must-dos. So let's go over and take a look and see what we're working on today.
Hello again, first graders. Let's take a look at our matrix and see what we're going to be working on today. Yesterday, hopefully you did some practicing with your coins. Today, we're going to practice skip counting 1s, 2s, 5s, 10s, 20s to 100 for at least 15 minutes. So, when we count just regularly, I'm going to bring in this chart to kind of help us see better. When we start counting just by ones, we'll start at 1 and we'll just move across the chart saying every single number as we go. And we can count up as high as we want to go. Hopefully you can count up to 120. That's kind of our goal for right now. But when you skip count, it means that you're going to count certain numbers and skip the others. So if I'm skip counting by 2, I'm going to skip over the 1 and start at 2. Then I'm going to skip over the 3 and go to 4. Skip over the 5, go to 6. Skip over the 7, go to 8. Skip over the 8, go to 10. If I'm skip counting by 5s, I'm going to start over here and I'm going to skip over the 1, 2, 3, 4 and I'm going to go to my 5. Then I'm going to skip over all of those other ones and go to 10. Skip over all the other ones to 15. Skip to 20. Skip to 25. Skip to 30. To 35, 40. You see kind of how that goes. If I'm skip counting by 10s, it's a little different because I'm not going across the chart so much as I'm going down the chart. So I'm going to jump all the way over to the 10 and then I'm just going to count my 10s as I go down. Now I suppose you could go over to 10, skip all these, 20, skip all these, 30. But if you have a chart like this, it's kind of just easier to say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, and on down the chart. So practice your skip counting. Remember, you're going to start counting by ones. You know, the other thing that is kind of nice to do when you're skip counting is don't always start at 0. Maybe start at, let's say, 26 and skip count by 2s. So I'm going to skip over the 27 to 28, skip over the 29 to 30. So you don't always have to start at the beginning when you're skip counting, okay? You could start at 75 and skip count 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. So you can pick out different places on the chart and skip count from there. So hopefully that was helpful. Remember, practice for 15 minutes today. You got to keep those skip counting skills sharp. Have a nice day, first graders.